For those of us who absorb information better by listening, it's surprisingly hard to find high-quality learning materials in audio format that sound natural instead of robotic. If you've been searching for a way to turn those small pockets of free time into meaningful progress, BeFreed could be exactly what you need. It's an AI-driven ecosystem that transforms the world's most valuable knowledge into short, personalized audio sessions. It truly stands out at turning complicated ideas into something that feels like a real conversation. In this video, we'll share our experience with BeFreed and explain how it makes learning an enjoyable part of your daily routine. Now, starting out with BeFreed is pretty straightforward. Once you set up your account and finish your profile, you're welcomed by a clean, dark interface that feels calm and built for focus. The layout is polished, with simple visuals of books and learning tools that make it easy to settle in and concentrate. At the top, there's a section called Pick for You. This is where the AI begins to stand out, offering recommendations shaped around your reading preferences. Over time, it starts to reflect your personal taste in a way that feels thoughtful. If you're looking for something specific, you can head straight to the categories. There's a wide range, from personal development and psychology to business and communication. Selecting a category clears away distractions and highlights content tailored to that topic. Whether you're exploring the homepage or narrowing in on a focused subject, the app feels approachable and simple to move through. You're not faced with cluttered menus or misplaced icons. Everything sits where you expect it to be. The design supports clarity, helping you go from launching the app to actively learning within moments. So let's focus on how the learning experience actually works, because this is where BeFreed clearly separates itself from the other platforms we've tested. After choosing a book or topic, you immediately see a detailed overview with user ratings, major insights, and a few helpful FAQs that get your mind thinking before you even begin.
You're offered 4 different routes: quick summary, deep dive, flashcards, and humorous.
When we're short on time or just need a refresh, we go with quick summary. It includes both written and audio formats, always under 10 minutes, which makes it easy to fit in between meetings or during a short drive. When we're ready to really understand the material, we move to deep dive. This option expands into a 20 to 30-minute session that explores the topic in detail. It doesn't feel like a classroom lecture. The audio flows more like a well-produced podcast. It's relaxed, clear, and feels like someone experienced is walking you through each idea step by step.
Then there's the humorous section.
It delivers the same insights but in a lighter, more casual style, using relatable examples that make complex ideas easier to absorb. Even topics that usually feel dense become surprisingly enjoyable, and it's not unusual to catch yourself smiling while learning about economics or behavioral science. Moving past the regular content library, the newest update rolls out a dedicated learning section that reshapes how we think about personal development. This is where the app shifts from simply delivering material to creating a structured plan that aligns directly with our goals and daily routine. Rather than offering a generic course, it designs a roadmap that fits into the open spaces of our schedule. To understand how it functions, let's walk through a sample plan titled the High Performance Manager. If we tell the app we want to strengthen our leadership skills, but only have 20 minutes during a morning commute, it builds a program that moves through 4 core segments tailored to those priorities. The process begins with understanding the foundations. In this phase, BeFreed collects the core principles of the topic, such as emotional intelligence or team dynamics. Instead of presenting a broad lecture, it adapts the examples to match our professional experience. After reviewing the materials, we found they covered exactly what we needed. Take a closer look. It feels like a guided discussion that prepares us for the more advanced concepts ahead. It also provides key takeaways in an audio summary. Notice the clarity and focus of the explanations. That results-driven, specific learning structure was exactly what we had been searching for. We move forward by focusing on building a high-performing team, and this is where the strategy becomes actionable. Instead of staying at a conceptual level, it lays out clear routines and systems we can put into practice right away to take back control of our time. The emphasis is integration, making sure the insights don't sit inside the app but actually reshape how we operate every single day. From there, we step into mastering the core lesson, strategic leadership centered on culture, vision, and change. This section drives the entire experience. Since we've already worked through earlier modules, the app identifies our specific knowledge gaps with precision. What stood out to us was how it moved past the fundamentals we've already covered and focused on areas where development matters most. The training here is rigorous and detailed, yet highly efficient because it concentrates only on what we still need to learn. In the final stage, achieving peak performance through executive excellence, scaling impact, and developing leaders, the plan shifts into optimization. It introduces advanced perspectives from respected CEOs and psychologists, along with practical frameworks for making decisions under pressure. Across all 4 phases, the audio-first design keeps us focused, and the material feels tailored to our goals, guiding steady progress while honoring the commitments we set from the start. This kind of progress only matters if you can actually measure it, and that's exactly what the Journey section is built for. It provides detailed insights, including your overall learning spirit, how many sessions you finished, and even a time saved indicator that compares your efficiency to more traditional reading approaches. It records your milestones and also highlights your chat times if you've used the AI to better understand certain ideas. Watching these visual snapshots of progress can be incredibly motivating. It also reveals how you're allocating your time and helps keep you responsible so your learning remains steady and purposeful. Rather than guessing whether you're improving, you have clear data in front of you to confirm it. At the end of the day, BeFreed goes beyond just another summary app. It works like a personal growth companion that values both your time and your ability to think deeply. If you're ready to move away from endless social media scrolling and start improving yourself in a way that's engaging, tailored to you, and easy to fit into a packed schedule, it's worth checking out. It's built for the way modern learners actually live. Download BeFreed today, start your first deep dive, and discover how much you can absorb in only 20 minutes. You'll find the sign-up link in the description below. Give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.